Welcome back to Trendz TV, the ultimate hub for all things cars. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic nameplates in automotive history. That's right, Toyota's done it again with the 2026 Toyota Corolla, and we've got a full detailed review coming your way. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a daily commuter, or just someone who appreciates solid engineering, the new Corolla demands attention. Stick with us to find out why this affordable legend is still setting the standard in its class in 2026. Exterior. So let's get started by taking a look at the exterior design, which Toyota has clearly taken to the next level for this year. At the front, the 2026 Corolla sports a bolder, more confident face. The new grille is wider, more sculpted, and carries a geometric pattern that catches the light just right, framed by slim LED headlights that now stretch slightly into the fenders. The Corolla's new face has a more aggressive stance while still remaining approachable. There's also a sharper crease running along the hood, adding to its sense of motion even when standing still. Daytime running lights form a sleek air-like signature, instantly giving it a recognizable front end on the road. The front bumper now features a more chiseled lower fascia with optional gloss black accents on sportier trims, adding an edge for those looking for extra attitude. Moving to the side, the 2026 Corolla maintains its compact proportions but gains subtle upgrades that enhance its silhouette. The side profile benefits from new character lines that carve a dynamic arc across the body, giving it a more athletic appearance. Wheel designs range from 16-inch alloys on base models to optional 18-inch machined finish rims on the SE and XSE trims, and they really fill out the wheel wells with presence. The side mirrors now include integrated turn signals as standard, and higher trims get a gloss black cap and power folding function. Chrome window trim is reserved for the top-tier trims, while the sportier variants get blacked-out window surrounds and side skirts for a racier vibe. Toyota also introduced a new paint color for 2026 called Lunar Copper, a rich blend of orange and bronze that shifts beautifully under different lighting. At the rear, the Corolla keeps things clean and modern. The taillights are slimmer, connected by a black strip that runs across the trunk lid on certain trims, visually widening the car's stance. The rear bumper has been revised for a slightly more angular look, and the reflectors have been repositioned for a sharper profile. A discreet spoiler comes standard on sport trims, and a dual exit exhaust with chrome tips is available if you opt for the more performance-oriented grades. Toyota has also updated the badging with a fresh font, and a redesigned rear diffuser on the same model makes the Corolla look faster than ever, even when parked. Interior. Now step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's been significantly refined for 2026. Toyota has focused heavily on improving tactile quality and modern tech integration. Soft-touch materials are used generously across the dashboard, door panels, and center console. The layout is clean and functional, with horizontal lines making the cabin feel more spacious. Front seats are redesigned for improved comfort and lumbar support, available in fabric, soft-touch synthetic leather, or even a new eco-friendly suede-like option on hybrid trims. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped on most models and now features backlit multi-function buttons, giving it a premium touch at night. The tech upgrades are where the Corolla really shines. A new 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center stack on SE trims and above, replacing the older 8-inch unit. It's faster, crisper, and comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Physical volume and tuning knobs remain, thankfully, and Toyota's updated voice assistant now supports more natural commands. The driver gets a fully digital 7-inch or optional 12.3-inch instrument cluster that's customizable and packed with driving data. Climate control remains dual zone on upper trims, and Toyota has introduced a new ambient lighting system that softly glows around the dash and door trim in configurable colors. Even rear passengers are treated better this year, with improved legroom due to a redesigned front seat back and an available rear USB-C charging port. In terms of storage, the Corolla continues to be practical. The center console has been enlarged, door pockets are deeper, and the trunk offers 13.1 cubic feet of space, more than enough for a couple of suitcases or a grocery run. Fold-down rear seats expand your options, and hybrid models maintain usable cargo room thanks to more compact battery packaging this year. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Corolla comes with multiple powertrains to suit different needs. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder that delivers 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. While it won't blow your socks off, it's responsive enough for everyday driving and offers excellent fuel economy, with EPA ratings hovering around 35 mpg combined. For those who want an even more efficient ride, the Corolla Hybrid has been updated with a revised power control unit and now pushes out 138 combined horsepower with even smoother transitions between gas and electric drive. It delivers over 50 mpg combined, making it one of the most economical non-plug-in cars on the market today. The real surprise this year is the introduction of the GR line Corolla, a sport-themed variant that doesn't quite go full GR but gets close, with revised suspension tuning, paddle shifters, and a slightly more aggressive throttle map. It's the Corolla for the enthusiast who still wants daily comfort. The handling has been improved across the board thanks to a stiffer chassis and updated steering calibration. The ride remains composed over bumps, and road noise has been reduced with extra insulation. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down the highway, the 2026 Corolla feels more refined and planted than ever before. When it comes to safety, Toyota continues to offer one of the most comprehensive suites in the segment. Every 2026 Corolla comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are optional on lower trims and standard on C and above. The Corolla also now features a driver attention monitor that provides alerts if it senses drowsiness or distraction. As for pricing, Toyota has done a solid job keeping the Corolla within reach for the average buyer. The base L trim starts around $22,000, while the well-equipped L trim is expected to land near $23,500. The same model with sportier styling and features comes in at roughly $25,000, and the fully loaded XSE will push into the $28,000-$29,000 range. Hybrid versions start at about $24,000 and go up depending on trim and options. The new GR line variant will sit between the C and XSE at around $26,000, offering a good blend of style and performance without breaking the bank. All trims continue to come with Toyota's excellent warranty and complimentary maintenance package for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles. So, what's the final verdict? The 2026 Toyota Corolla might not be the flashiest car on the road, but it delivers where it counts: efficiency, comfort, safety, and now, a surprising amount of tech and style. Toyota has managed to take a compact sedan and evolve it just enough to keep things fresh without alienating its loyal fan base. Whether you're buying your first car, looking for a fuel-sipping commuter, or just want a dependable daily driver with a bit of flair, the 2026 Corolla proves once again why it's a household name. Thanks for tuning into Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this depth dive review, smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly car content, and let us know in the comments would you choose the 2026 Corolla over the competition. Until next time, stay fast, stay safe, and keep those engines revving.